Google has decided to take Zillow head on. There's a huge announcement that just happened that Zillow is getting in the portal wars. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but secretly, Zillow has been working on a product in the background to help you, the real estate professional, generate your own leads instead of having to just depend on Zillow. And forever, we know this model that Zillow has been taking and aggregating listing information and then selling those leads that they've generated from your listings largely to your competitors, not just you. And so Zillow's stepping in the ring right now. They're fists up and they're saying, we're going to provide an alternative solution for you to market your listings. And so there's a product that they've secretly been working on that a lot of people didn't know about in the background called Home Listing Local Service Ads. And they just decided to launch it nationwide. Now, I'm excited because here's the thing. Lead generation is one of the most important things that you can do for your business. And so I keep my ear to the ground anytime I see a new opportunity for lead generation. And I'm excited to walk you through a step-by-step process on what my real estate team is doing and my clients are doing to implement and take advantage of this new service. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Isaiah Colton. I'm a serial entrepreneur and AI-focused business coach. I have had the privilege of building a 7-figure real estate team and an 8-figure broker-to-broker referral program, hitting number 308 on the Inc. 5000 fastest growing companies in the nation. And after having an unbelievable exit and deciding to move on from that, I've built a 7-figure coaching and consulting platform where we help you apply AI automation and a proven selling system to be able to scale a 7-figure business the smart way. No, what is the smart way? One of my convictions is you don't have to work 60, 70, 80 hours a week anymore to build a 7-figure business and to gain wealth over time. I was attached to my business even though they were successful more than I needed to because I didn't understand this concept of leverage the way that I do now. And I'm excited to share with you every single week ways to get more leverage in your business so that way you can work smarter. And so today I'm going to take a deep dive into 7 steps of how you can take advantage of this movement happening with Google. So let's dive right into it. So step number 1 is you got to understand really what Google Local Service Ads is. And if you don't, I don't want you to worry about it because I actually have a whole course available to you that's 100% free that's going to be linked around here. Or if you're watching this on a different social media channel, you can simply comment Google and my team will actually get the course over to you. And it's going to show you how to take advantage of this movement that Google is creating through this new listing product that they have. Now, the first step is you have to understand the difference between the 2 tiers that are available. So there's a free display tier where you can display your listing for free. And then there's a paid LSA tier. So if you're with Google Local Service Ads right now, then they're going to make this available where you can pay to market your listings. I recommend going to sign up for Google Local Service Ads if you have not already and participate in the paid tier because you should be spending money marketing your listings anyway. Okay. So that's the first step. And again, if you don't know how to do that, it's outlined, okay, in the training that's provided for you. Step number 2, find out if your MLS actually is participating currently in the live feed. Okay, so if you are going to pay for your listings, my understanding is that the MLSs are rolling out and participating with Google at all different levels. So you just have to make sure that before you think that your listing information is going to get syndicated, you have to make sure that it's synced with your MLS. Okay, and again, there's more information on how to figure that out in the course. Number 3, what's really important is don't oversell this that your seller is going to be on Google when somebody's searching for a home, because you have to make sure that you set it up the right way. And the real way to guarantee that, or virtually guarantee that, is to make sure that you are participating in Google Local Service Ads, the paid version. So you just got to make sure that you're clear with them that they can show up on Google, but they're only going to most likely show up on the first page of Google as if you're paying for them to do. Okay. The next one is making sure that you optimize your listing data. So even though they offer a paid option, Google's AI is scraping everything. And so if you have a really good listing description and you are using AI to help you write that listing description, Google's AI is going to crawl that and still pull that in, especially when they're using the Google Gemini and the large language models. Okay. That's going to help a lot. So that's step number 4. Step number 5 is creating your Google Local Service Ads account. If you have not done this, okay, you have to make sure you do that. And again, there's clear instructions. I'm not going to get into exactly how to do that in this video because the instructions are clear. So step number 5 is you want to make sure that you create a Google Local Service Ads account. Step number 6 is you have to make sure that you get verified. So this will not work for you if you have not been verified by Google. It takes a little bit to get set up. Don't get frustrated with it because it's worth it. I know a lot of people that just off of Google local service ads, they get a handful of listings. And when those calls come in, they're some of the best leads because they have really high intent. They're within 1 to 3 months selling, and that's why they're making a phone call. Okay. So the next step is step number 7, which is adjust your budget accordingly. So you want to make sure that whatever app money that you're allocating is that you have a relatively decent budget per listing, because in my opinion, you don't want to like just do the bare minimum amount. You want to really ramp this up because it's not only going to help your client get the exposure that they need, but you're going to be generating a lot of leads off of this listing. So just consider it a lead generation expense, not just a client fulfillment expense. And I'm confident you're going to generate a lot of leads from it. Now, here's the thing that is interesting when I get into the next step. All right. And these are a couple bonus steps that I want to provide you is you want to make sure you never, ever miss a phone call. Google penalizes you for missing a phone call. And so one of the things that we've done at Ren is developed an AI agent, okay, through the Ren 360 operation systems platform, where you can actually launch an AI agent to take these inbound phone calls for you. It can take signed calls, it can take website calls, it can take Google LSA calls, it can take calls from your listings that are up online. And what's really great about it is when they call in and they ask for information, the AI can give them the information they need and do a live transfer over. So it's really important to make sure that you are taking advantage of technology that is out there to make sure you never, ever miss a phone call. Google will penalize you for it. Sure, you could use a traditional customer service company to answer the phone for you, but that's archaic, it's out of date, and in my opinion, it's too expensive. So step number 9, okay, is actually working with your AI agent. What's really great about this is a lot of people get really freaked out about, oh, is this AI agent going to be good? Is it worth it? And they have this limiting belief around how AI works. Now, here's the thing. If you are working with a company that knows how to properly program an agent and has done this over and over again, like we have, okay, the AI agent will sound phenomenal. They'll actually have a better experience and more consistent experience with this than a call center person that you don't know what their mood is. You don't know if they just broke up with their girlfriend or their boyfriend. Or let's say that you just get out of a listing appointment that didn't go well. Now you're answering the phone, right? And there's a lot of different things that are going on, or one of your agents is answering the phone. There's a lot of ways that they could have a poor experience by not having a consistent, well-trained AI sales agent taking this call. And so I want you to keep that in mind. The other thing is, this is not a cookie cutter formula where you just sign up to Google LSA and all of a sudden leads and calls start coming in. There's a step-by-step process on how to do it the right way. And that's why I'm providing the link to this book. So that way you can save this video for later, but you can also come back to the workbook and just go step-by-step through the workbook. And I offer a bonus course in this workbook on how to take advantage of an agentic AI agent to actually do this work with you and for you. I recommend using Manus at the time of me shooting this video, where you can actually give the workbook to Manus, and Manus will actually walk you through step by step on how to do this, and it'll actually go do the work for you. If you have a marketing assistant, your marketing assistant can help you do this and also monitor it. The AI agent, you can put a workflow in there where the AI agent can monitor this to make sure it's being optimized the right way. And that's the final step. So in closing, why is this so important? Because still, hundreds of millions of people are searching through Google. If they're not, they're searching through Gemini. If they're not, they're searching through another platform that's pulling from Google. And so if you have a really great process of marketing your listings and taking advantage of this service, there's no doubt in my mind that you're going to generate a ton of new opportunities off your listing. More importantly, not being dependent just on Zillow to help you market your listings and then sell your information to other agents. And so the action step here is to take advantage of this workbook. And then also to, if you like my trainings, make sure you subscribe so you can get more videos like this. I put a new video around AI automation and a proven selling system every single week. And if you have not participated in our 90-day AI Accelerator Challenge, where you can actually integrate AI and automation throughout every part of your business over the next 90 days, then you need to check that out. There's also a link around there. Check that program out. It is insane. We had over 100 students go through it at the time of shooting this video, and they're transforming how their business runs. Some of them literally getting to the point where they're waking up every day with getting a live transfer booked appointment of some kind after they've gone through the transformation. So with that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.
The future belongs to the adaptable.